What's up everybody? It's your man Harris here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Ubuntu Linux on your Windows 11 computer using WSL. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up a terminal. So go inside of your search bar and type in terminal, and make sure you right click it and click Run as Administrator. This is a requirement to properly install it. So once you're in your terminal, type in the command WSL --install, just like I did here. So WSL space -- install. And this will install Ubuntu Linux onto your Windows 11 computer. So this shouldn't take very long. Now, if this is your first time ever installing WSL, it will ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer once it's finished and come back to this point in the video. Now, once your computer restarts, this terminal will pop up automatically for you, and it will ask you to enter a new Unix username. So this will be your username for your Ubuntu system. So go ahead and type in whatever username you want, and then it will ask you to type in your password. So go ahead and type in a password for yourself. Now, once you've done both of those things, it will finish the installation. As you can see, it says installation successful, and it has booted me into my Ubuntu system. So right now, inside of the terminal, I'm logged in to my Ubuntu system. As you can see, my username Harris is here at my PC name. Now, once you have that installed, to access it, all you have to do is go on your search bar and type in Ubuntu. So that's one way to access it. You can also access it by going into your terminal, and when you're inside of your terminal, you can go ahead and click this Open a New Tab drop down and just select Ubuntu. And then finally, if you'd like to access it through your Windows 11 File Explorer, just open up your File Explorer, and on the left-hand side under this PC and network, you will see Linux. So just click on Linux and go into your Ubuntu folder, and you can access your Ubuntu system through the File Explorer as well. So that's it. That's how you install Ubuntu Linux on Windows 11. Now, make sure you guys check out our sponsor for this video, invoicebell.app, where you can create free invoices, estimates, and quotes. You can create a free account, and it comes with unlimited storage. This is the template. It's very easy to use, and you can bill your customers from here directly and get paid through a linked Stripe account. So make sure you guys check that out at invoicebell.app. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great night.